Yes, I really wonder why, like nowadays, all brides looks the same, and it is so bad. Yes, I would say that because uh, I see like everyone is just doing a hairstyle, like the same thing. So, in my mind, I'm like, we can really try to change something. You understand? And we do maybe something simple, something like. Yeah, something like you can see that is at least not common at all. So when it comes to natural hair, I believe that we can always do different hairstyles, not like keep on doing the same thing. So that's why I would like you guys at least let's try to be more creative, because there are a lot of things that we can do in our natural hair, like we are going to be seeing in this video, and how I created this hairstyle. It is very simple, and I would say at least it is somehow unique from others.
Morris, the crochet master.
All right, when you try to look at this hair, yes, it is natural hair, very healthy, I would say that. Yeah, it is very healthy. So after washing and treatment, we are going to do our hairstyling. So I always tell you most of the time that when we are doing the hairs, like when we are styling, there's nothing that I can teach more about this, because styling comes from art, like it's from you, like I would say it's from me. So now if I would want you also to do the same thing, what I can advise is that you need to learn the basics, and this is what I'm going to be giving you in this video. Yes, as if you've been watching all my previous videos, I've been showing you that the basics are very important, depending on someone's forehead. Depending on someone's forehead, that is very important. So I've been and another thing, there's this comment that I've been getting, most of you guys telling me that when they use the eco gel, it gets like this white stuff, but I think they use it badly. I've not yet got any I haven't observed that, because what I always do, if you try to look at, I don't apply, like maybe you apply a lot of it and yet it's not good. So I can, if the hair is this long, I just only apply it on the first, like the second layer, and then I finish. I don't apply it from the beginning, you understand? So yeah, I make sure that I don't apply it from the beginning. So now when we're trying to do this baby hair, it's also sometimes not easy for some people, but nowadays we don't always want to exaggerate things, you know, we need that natural look. So you can just separate them into three, others can be two according to the forehead, but I've been seeing like that those people who like it more, and they do it like 5 lines here, you understand, and that is too much. So you can only do like 3 or 2 depending on your forehead, and this looks very nice. You can already see how amazing it looks. So I would advise you guys to do that. And then when it comes to the eco gel, those ones who always say that eco gel bring this white sheen thing, that I mean, maybe you apply it, you put a lot of it, and since me, I haven't observed that. I always use the eco gel, and even now is what I'm using, and I don't get all that. So after, we are going to this one that I'm adding here on top. It's some gel, and I'm going to be putting the link in the description so that you can see and you buy it yourself. So after putting all the band, we are going to start our styling, and this is the way we are doing it. I'm getting these Kinky Extensions. Yes, the Kinky Extensions. And this one you need to get the same color with the hair. Yes, don't get twisted, because we need it to look natural. We need it to look natural, so we just have to get the same thing with the natural. You understand? Yeah, the one that like the color that looks like the hair. Yes, if you have black and the hair is off black, then you got it wrong. Yes, so after doing all that, I'm going to pin my extension so that it is firm, and this is what I do. To most braid that have been saying that they have been doing this same thing, but maybe they put it in the lower and then they try to style, but now I'm just putting it here so that we can create something simple and unique, you understand, because yeah, that's what we always need. So when you're done with that, you just have to bring all the hair that you're kinky as we are covering these extensions. So I want you to watch and tell me from the comment section what you think about this hairstyle. Yes, I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. Indeed, I'm the Crochet Master. And yes, to those people who have been asking about the salon that I work on, it's Hair by Clippers. Yes, it's Hair by Clippers. You can check it out on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Yeah, Hair by Clippers. Yeah, you can check it out. So this is how we do it. This is how we do it as we style it this simple, and I'm trying to do this is just coming from my head. There's no any way I can teach you that you have to do this and this, but it's the one basics I would tell you. Number one is that when the forehead is short like hers, it's not that long. When I mean the forehead that is short, it means you have the corners. Yes, has somehow, but it is in the form of the short forehead, because now if you say that the long foreheads, you know that those people with long foreheads, yes, and they always look good with something sideways. When you do something in the side way, yes, they look good. And now these ones with short forehead, when you pull the hair going behind, yes, and you style something, it looks very, very nice. So those are the things that those are the first basics that you can always try use when you're doing these kind of hairstyles. Trust me, they will look very, very lovely. So let's continue with this, and then we do some simple makeup and see how it's going to be. I love you so much, and please, thank you so much. Those ones who are subscribing, let's share, comment. You can tell me what you think about, and I'm going to be telling you, I'm going to be telling you everything that I use on this hairstyle in the comments section below. Yes, this is what we gotta do. Let's watch.
Crochet Master. Need a little loving, oyagala kola ka video shanane. Hey, you need some little pampering. Omukono mukugo gumanyiche kukola. Kitakiwa crochet master, yakugu kamoviri kati master. Makeup uono genius, akukola kono nyuma. Jangu ewa crochet master. Come on. Jangu. Together. Crochet Master. Maurice. Maurice.
Wow, so after all that, I'm back here. So you can see how simple it is. I always want simple things. Yeah, here you gotta go, you get to go. And if you have your crown, you can just put it there. And this looks amazing, simple and natural. That's why I love natural, being natural. This is so amazing. I love you so much, guys. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I sign out. See you in the next video. We always upload every week. Every week we upload videos. So see you guys in my next video.